Yo, rip a keg stand. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go, baby. Send it, baby. Oh, shit. We're out here in Cali. We got the keg right here. We got Jackson with us today. We got Hamby with us today. Hey. And we got Evan, Dwarf Mamba with us. We got the keg. It's heavy as shit. We're gonna take it into a lecture today, boys. Rip a keg stand in the lecture. Nino's getting his first workout in of his life here, eh? How does it feel, bro?
Nah, second.
Nino, bend your knees more.
Maybe.
Oh, look at your knees. Look at the knees on the kid.
There's a table there. There's a table.
Oh, it might break. I think it would break.
Yeah, right beside the table then.
Someone stand up on the table.
No.
Honestly, miss, I'm so sorry to interrupt. All this UV stuff, like it's kind of getting to me. I feel like we need like a mid-class send break right now, guys. Like let's get a send going, like a quick mid-class send break. Let's rip some keg stands.
I'm down for that.
Cause it's good for the brain, miss. Like quick keg stand, and then listen, guys. Right after keg stands, right back to UV. I'm serious. But quick keg stand. Jackson, you down for one? I love math and stuff. I'm passionate about it, but we got to get a quick mid-class send break here. Let's get it. Pump it up. Legs up. Pump that shit. Woo! Let's go. Yo, one more. Who else is down? Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Pump her up. Pump her up. Pump her up. Woo! Chug, 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 chug. Let's go. Let's go. Do you want one, miss, or no? You okay? Okay. Let's go. Yo, guys, back to UV right now. Let's go. Hey, man. Back to UVs! Let's go. Fire. Yo, we gotta go kill this keg now, boys. Let's go back to the house. We gotta get the fuck out of here.
I think I grabbed Evan's dick when I picked him up.
I think she was low-key down to rip a keg stand.
Whoa,
What do you guys think? I think she was down. What happened with you, Nana?
So as I'm about to film it, the guy's like comes up and he starts like trying to grab my camera. Yo, bud, like don't touch my camera. Like
who?
The guy that walks up, the guy that walked by you. The guy that walked by you in the gray sweater. He's like, yo, like you're in a class. I'm like, what are you doing? I'm like, we're filming a funny video, and I'm trying to film it at the same time. He's like trying to block me.
That man needs to learn a thing about respect.
So like,
dude, that guy does not respect the fucking send, eh?
He's a half sender.
All right, boys. We know we've been fucking half sending on the uploads a little bit, but if you guys didn't see, check our banner. We're uploading every fucking Monday, 8:30 Eastern, 5:30 Pacific. We're back, boys. We got fucking 3 bangers stocked up already, so we're not gonna miss any Mondays. But we're here at fucking Bank's house. It's a little bigger than ours, but holy shit, man. He's a fucking beauty, man. Banks fucking told us, you know, come through. You don't gotta pay for rent. You gotta do anything. Just hang out with the boys. We'll give you guys the guest house. Airbnbs in LA are fucking. I could buy Nino's mom a new car with the amount an Airbnb costs here.
Buy a new Mazda.
I could buy a new Mazda, yeah. Bank said we could move in. We don't have to pay rent. And we get 3 rooms in the guest house, so go show Bank some love, man. Really appreciate that. Good.
Hey, good to see you guys. Good to see you. What's good, homie? Good. What's good? 905 shooter, one time. Home sweet home, right? Fuck! Hey! Hey! No! No! Fucking bubbles, dude. So let's get you fuckheads moving in or what?
Yeah. I guess so, man.
You got any bags or anything, or just?
Nah, just watch
Yeah, this is all we got, boys.
Place is fucking trash. What else is new? Throw on some Ragers. So yeah, you guys can do whatever the fuck you want here. Just my house is your house. Seriously, I mean it. You guys
really?
Can move in. You guys, this is, yeah, we need more people doing shit, making videos, all the, you know, the internet shit. You guys can take the whole guest house. There's 3 bedrooms in there, and everything else, the kitchen, the outside, everything. You guys can do whatever the fuck you want.
Anything?
Anything you want.
Hookers?
I mean it, bro. Anything you want. Hookers.
So wait, anything in this house?
If I don't see it,
if you say anything, we're gonna do
happen.
anything.
Yeah. Don't fucking burn the house down, but.
Yo, Banks! What's good, buddy? All right, boys. Banks saying this is our house, so Jesse, let's go do some shit. Yeah.
I'll see you boys later. Have fun. Just don't burn the fucking house down.
Whew. No fucking games out here, boys. We imported the fucking Tim's coffee. We had to bring in the Keurigs. A little more expensive, but I think it's worth it, man.
Might be in LA, but we're still ripping Tim's.
Alright, boys.
It's a fucking wine cellar?
This is a wine cellar? Is there any fucking wine in here? Probably not in this house, eh? One bottle of wine. Tastes like shit?
Fuck that.
Dude, how is this whole wine cellar here and there's not one thing in it, bro? We gotta start putting this house to use, I think. Fill the whole thing up with beers. Ronas. How many do we need?
We need a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 400 beers. These ones we have to put 3. So why don't we just order fucking 1,000 beers right now? Alright? You wanna fill this whole fucking thing up with beers?
Let's fucking do it.
Let's run it.
One room and a whole lot of Coronas. The Full Send Rona Room in theaters everywhere this summer.
Sand and 2 cheers.
Yeah.
Sand and 2 cheers. Like, no. We're getting there.
Nino, man. No shitting in here. This guy's gonna be in here one day taking a shit. Come on.
Is this cool if I sit here? Is that cool?
That's a typewriter, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing with it?
Oh no, my parents just bought me a laptop. So, I was gonna make it work, you know what I mean? You don't have any typewriter oil, do you?
No, I don't.
Nothing like that?
Do you know about the computers that you can just borrow for free with your green card?
I know, but I've never grew up on computers. Yeah, my parents are real old school.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Never even been on the internet. Wi-Fi, none of that shit, man.
Yeah. How do you study and stuff? Like when you need to go see something?
You think that's hard, man? I can't even watch porn. You know what I mean? There's a lot of worse things than that. As long as I can type, I'll tell you that much. Everyone's talking about 2 Girls, 1 Cup and shit. Never seen it. You know what I mean? They don't got that on VHS. You don't have any typewriter oil on you, do you? Nothing? Excuse me, do you have typewriter oil?
I don't know.
Do you have any?
No.
My keys are sticking like crazy. Hello, Mom! Oh my God. Yes, I'm trying fucking Dad's freaking typewriter. It's not, I can't do it, I'm in college. No, I'm not gonna use this anymore. It's not, I need a laptop. It's 2019. No, yeah, it's not working, there's no ink. Oh my God. I'm not Neil Armstrong, Mom. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, cool.
So it's definitely doable. I don't feel like it's impossible. My office hours next week will be changed rather than the Thursday order with English relationships in our lives, so not just romantic relationships, but also, as we know, integrity is important to us as human beings. So we know that's a little bit loud.
What's that?
Oh, is it like a typewriter?
Yeah.
Okay.
I broke my laptop and like, I don't know what to do.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
want a pen?
I can't write. Yeah.
It's just a little distracting.
Is it? Well, like, I asked my mom, but she can't buy me a new laptop, so like,
Well, if anyone wants to
yeah. I'm not as well off as everyone, but like, I still want to learn, right? Like, and I can't write, so.
I guess just paper and
I'll try to be quieter. I won't disrupt. Not everyone's dad can work on Wall Street, guys, you know? Like, I'm just saying, like, so what, my dad owns a farm, like, you know what I mean? Like, farmers make money too.
You want my laptop?
Sure.
But anyways, if you guys if this is helpful for the start,
For real?
move on with the lecture. But yeah, so we could just pull out for a second. I mean, please, I mean, this isn't like a.
Yeah, if you guys don't want me to learn, then like I won't.
I don't think that's what's happening.
No, it's fine. Like, if you guys don't want me to learn, if you guys don't want me to learn, it's fine. I won't learn. Just know you guys are all racist to farmers. Whatever, sexism, same thing. Like,
Such a good fucking clip. That was so good.
Cool, but then they
Bro, that was couldn't have gone any better. The plug.
And then they always fall for that. I'm like, whatever, like this is kind of racist. They're like, it's not even race-based. I'm like, sexist, whatever. Also, boys, like we said, we're uploading every Monday at 8:30 now, so make sure you save fucking Mondays, boys. And we read your comments. You guys know we always listen to our fans. You guys said you guys don't want to see the same pranks on YouTube as you see on Instagram. So we're gonna make sure that we drop them on, like, most of the clips on YouTube first, and then we'll put them on Instagram. Always listening to the boys.
Got a little shawty, she off from Molly, she in love with the drugs. Wanna fuck when I'm done, kick it out